See, the first point in types of director is independent director, which you can consider as one of the most important topic. સૌથી પહેલા meaning the director who is who is not a managing director or who is not a nominee director is considered as independent director. Now at some point of time when you are appointing independent director, then the number of independent directors should be minimum 1/3 director. But sometimes સેન્ટ્રલ ગવર્મેન્ટને એમ લાગે કે ના ભાઈ આપણે વધારે ઓછા મિનિમમ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ડાયરેક્ટરની જરૂર છે, દેન સેન્ટ્રલ ગવર્મેન્ટ મે ડિસાઇડ એન્ડ સેન્ટ્રલ ગવર્મેન્ટ કેન રિડ્યુસ. He should be an independent director, so he must be appointed from a data bank. Some authorities, some institutes or association has been permitted for maintenance of such data bank, and independent director is selected from such data bank. Now the point is that whenever you are selecting a person from such data bank, he is totally unknown to the company, so company should take proper care while selecting a person. Independent director can be appointed for 5 years, and if you want to reappoint him, then you can reappoint him with a proper reason. You need to present a proper reason while you are reappointing that particular independent director, and maximum you can reappoint for 2 terms with a gap of, then after again you can reappoint the same person, but that should be gap of 3 years. Next point, he should have some qualities, he should have some skills, he should have some expertise, okay, knowledge. So he should have some expertise, qualities. He must not be promoter or relative of the promoter. He should not have financial relation with the company since last 2 years, and he should not have any relation with key managerial persons since last 3 years. So it becomes a 4-mark question itself. Additional director. Now see, all those persons who are experts or technocrat and who are necessary for the company requires an expert or technocrat person, but who has not been included in managing board of directors, then at such point of time those experts or technocrats can be added into board of director at any time. Board of director can appoint, but he cannot appoint, board of director cannot appoint any person who fail in annual general meeting. Means in annual general meeting a special resolution has not been passed or it has been passed against that particular person, then it is considered as additional director. Yes beta, I am recording the lecture. Then after managing director, so I found 2 questions as important. One is independent director and second is managing director. You can leave Sakshi, it's okay. Managing director, executive director, managing director is known as executive director. Business needs what? Business needs ethics, business needs tactfulness, business need what was on the basis of S? Strategy, business strategy. Okay, that was the last point. So business need tactfulness, ethics and business strategies to be managed by board of director. But board of director to છે જ નહીં. Board of directors are spread over different cities of the country. So now what we will do? So they will appoint a person who will manage day-to-day routine functions of the company, and he will execute all the policy decisions taken by board of director. Such managing director is appointed by board of director. Female director, capital of 100 crore is there, then that particular company should appoint minimum 1 female director. Alternate director, at any point of time if any director is going out of the country for more than 3 months, not year, okay, for more than 3 months, I hope that you must have changed it, for more than 3 months, then at such point of time he can appoint an alternate director for which a resolution in general meeting should be passed. If an independent director wants to appoint an alternate director, then at such point of time he must be qualified for being appointed as independent for being appointed as independent director. मतलब independent director बनवानी qualities હોય કોઈ માણસમાં તો જ એને independent director ના alternate director તરીકે રાખી શકાય. અને fourth તો alternate director alternate of other director cannot be appointed as alternate director. Okay, so you can, just a second, you cannot appoint alternate of other director means I cannot appoint alternate director of Sakshi. Okay, if she has appointed a particular person as alternate director, then I cannot tell him or her that you should work as an alternate director of on behalf of me too. No, it is not right. Okay, what this third point says, if an independent director want to appoint an alternate director, then that particular person must be qualified for being appointed as independent director. Alternate director છે એને એક alternate director ને એક independent director ને alternate director appoint કરવો છે, તો then the person to whom he want to appoint as alternate director, he must be qualified for being appointed as independent director. मतलब એનામાં ક્વોલિફાઈડ એનામાં ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ડાયરેક્ટરની બધી ક્વોલિફિકેશન હોવી જોઈએ. મેક સિમ્પલ વસ્તુ છે, તારે ફોરેન જવાનું છે, તે ભવ્યને ઓલ્ટરનેટ ડાયરેક્ટર રાખ્યો છે, હું બી તમારી કંપનીમાં બોર્ડ ઓફ ડિરેક્ટરમાં છું, મારે પણ ફોરેન જવાનું છે, તો હું હવે ભવ્યને ઓલ્ટરનેટ ડાયરેક્ટર ના રાખી શકું. ઓકે, ઓલ્ટરનેટ ડાયરેક્ટર ઓફ અધર ડાયરેક્ટર ઇઝ નોટ એલિજિબલ. મારે મારો સેપરેટ ઓલ્ટરનેટ ડાયરેક્ટર રાખવો પડે. નોમિની ડિરેક્ટર by any institution, any nominee director appointed by board of director on behalf of any institution, alternate director appointed by board of director as per the pursuance of any law. Okay, and alternate director appointed by board of director which has been recommended by government by virtue of their shareholding, मतलब એમની પાસે જે shares છે એના કારણે, and it can be state government or central government, that's okay. Small shareholder, 20,000 rupees face value કરતા ઓછા શેર જેની પાસે હોય એવા 1,000 shareholders can appoint shareholder who represent them in board of director. Okay, by pursuance of agreement. હા હવે ને as per any law by pursuance of agreement નોમિનીના વનમાં, સોરી by institution. હા હવે as per pursuance of agreement કોઈ એગ્રીમેન્ટ કર્યું છે એના માટે એ લોકો અપોઇન્ટ કરે છે ડાયરેક્ટરને. ઓકે, સો દેટ ઇઝ ઓલ અબાઉટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ડાયરેક્ટર. હવે પહેલાં તો છે ને એવા રેન્ડમ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ પર વધારે ફોકસ કરું છું જે એક્ઝામમાં આવવાના પૂરા ચાન્સીસ છે, બરાબર. યુ શુડ નોટ ગો ઓન ટર્નિંગ ધ પેजेस કે આ ક્યાં આપ્યું છે, આ ક્યાં આપ્યું છે, આ ક્યાં આપ્યું છે, બરાબર. નંબર ઓફ ડાયરેક્ટર, જસ્ટ અ સેકન્ડ. Now see, what number of directors says that in public company there should be 3 director, private company 2 director, single company 1 director, maximum 15 director. And if central government thinks so, if company thinks so, then by passing special resolution they can increase number of maximum director by 15. Picture number of directorship, maximum 20 company and maximum 10 public company. Okay, but if company wish so, then company can pass a special resolution and reduce the number of directorship by the company. If any particular director will found that he is violating provisions of this law, then at such point of time he will be liable for the punishment. Provision of director identification number. Any particular person who wants to apply for director identification number, okay, then he has to apply. Who wants to get appointed as director, he should apply in a special form to the central government. Central government will allot him director identification number within 1 month, and after receiving the director identification number, you cannot apply for the second director identification number. Once you've got director identification number, then director should provide a director identification number to the company, and company should provide this director identification number to registrar of company. And if company will fail to provide this director identification number to the registrar of company within the stipulated time or within the specific time, in that circumstances the responsible officer will be liable for punishment. Okay, any doubt in this particular question, in this 3 point? I repeat, any doubt in this 3 point? Okay, let's move further. Then after, there was some provision regarding the appointment of first director and appointment of director after first director, which is not that much important question. Then after, there was the question about types of director, which we have discussed. And then after, here I am focusing on this question, disqualification of director. In 2 questions, disqualifications are there, and I am finding this question to be very important, very important. Public માં 8 and private માં 12 director હોય તો ચાલે. હવ ચાલે જ તેને, ગમે તેમ ચાલે, ગમે તેટલા ડાયરેક્ટર હોય ચાલે, એવો કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ જ નથી. ખાલી એક જ વસ્તુ છે, મેક્સિમમ 10 પબ્લિક કંપની, બરાબર છે. Director becomes of unsound mind. Director बिचारा गांडो થઈ જાય છે. He becomes insolvent. He involved in any fraudulent activity. Okay, he was involved in fraudulent activity. He has not paid calls on the shares purchased by him for last 6 months. Then he will be disqualified. He has not paid interest on debentures. He has not paid dividend on the shares. He has not paid debenture interest for more than 1 year. Then he will be disqualified from the company. He will be disqualified for the company for 3 years. 3 વર્ષ માટે ડિસ્ક્વોલિફાય. 3 વર્ષ માટે કોઈ કંપનીમાં ડાયરેક્ટર બની શકે નહીં. He has been disqualified by the court. अच्छा, कोर्टे केम डिस्क्वालिफाई કર્યો? तो he has been convicted for 6 months. Okay, he was involved in any particular case related to moral turpitude, and court has been convicted him for the offense and imprisoned him for 6 months, sentenced for 6 months. Then he will be disqualified. Convicted in the above case and sentenced him for 7 years or more than 7 years, then at such point of time he is disqualified for the whole lifetime disqualifying. He cannot be appointed as director in any company. કોઈ કંપનીમાં ડાયરેક્ટર તરીકે કામ ના કરી શકે. Provision for retirement. Under which circumstances director cannot be reappointed? Director will get retired. Director કઈ circumstances માં retire થઈ ગયા. So director, first of all we should discuss about 3 director. Okay, so first director, then after independent director, and the next one is other director. Now see, first director will retire on the day of first annual general meeting of the company. Okay, not paid interest માં 5 years નો આવે, લગભગ 5 years not paid interest. હા, yes, not paid interest માં 5 years આવશે. સાચી વાત છે બાળકની. 5 years, yes. So first director will get reappointed. First director will get retired on the day of first annual general meeting. Okay, independent director. So independent director will retire after the 5 years of his appointment. But here is a case that independent director can be reappointed. Independent director can be reappointed. Okay, when independent director can be reappointed? Independent director can be reappointed after the term of 5 years, but he can be reappointed only for the 2 terms. So independent director can be appointed for maximum 10 years. Okay, with the gap of 3 years, again he can be reappointed. All the other director will retire from the company in a rotation manner, that every year 2/3 of the director will get retired, and out of which 1/3 director will be senior most director. Okay. Apart from first director, independent director and other director will not get reappointed if he is giving in a written manner his unwillingness for being reappointed. He clearly says that please do not reappoint me as a director. Director will get retired from the company if resolution has not been passed in annual general meeting for the reappointment of that particular director. Or director himself got disqualified for appointment, so he will get retired. Okay, so up to this it is clear. One more very important question which I need to focus is duties of director. I'm not taking questions in sequence of your material. I'm taking questions in the sequence of their importance. Okay, I'm taking questions on the basis of their importance. Duties of director. First duty of the director is it is question number 14 if you want to look into the material, but I suggest that don't look into the material. First duty of the director, that he has to act in good faith. Okay, good faith minus શું કામ કરવાનું છે, or otherwise first duty of the director is that he has to act as per article of association. He should act in good faith to promote objectives of the company. What should be the objective of company? Objective of the company is to protect the interest of shareholders, employees and society. The object of the object of the company should be to protect environment, and he should act for this. Now he should act as per article of association. He should act in good faith to promote objective of the company. He should act to maintain the interest, to protect the interest of employees, shareholder and society. He should act for protection of environment. Now the biggest question which I am having is that how he will act. Is there any circumstances the director will go to the ground, he will dig a big hole and rope up a tree? Is it possible? No. Whether the director he is not in a political party, he is not in Aam Aadmi party or he is not in BJP, that he will take a big jhadu and he will clean all the clean roads where there is no kachro. Director is not going to do all these things. What he will do, he will conduct meetings. Man pade tyare? No, he will conduct meetings every quarter. And it is the duty of director that he has to attend all the meeting, and if he is not able to attend the meeting, then he should inform in advance. Whenever there is a meeting, koi પણ meeting છે, he should behave like Tarak Mehta. He should not behave like Popatlal. He is always in his own conflict, કે કોઈ ખર્ચો ના વધે. He should not behave like Dr. Hathi. He is always in conflict with his own interest of menu. Menu में क्या है? He should not behave like Jethalal. Okay, that was his own conflict of Jethalal કે નહીં રક્ષાબંધન નથી સેલિબ્રેટ કરવો. શું કોન્ફ્લિક્ટ હતો એ ઓલમોસ્ટ બધાને ખ્યાલ છે. અમારે ફિઝિકલ બેચમાં આ ટોપિક બહુ સારો ચાલ્યો હતો કે સર કોન્ફ્લિક્ટ એટલે શું. Later on I found a solution to make you understand it what is conflict. Okay, you should not be in the conflict of the interest of company and your own interest. Okay, you should not create any kind of disturbance, you should not create any kind of confusion with your interest and company's interest. Every time you should talk in company's interest. બરાબર છે. So don't be in conflict, or word was statement was little bit changed. Don't be in conflict of personal and interest of the company. You can change the statement in this manner. See, મને નથી ખબર રિપીટ થશે સર શું, એટલે તારે જેઠાલાલ વાળું ફરી વાર સાંભળવું છે ને એ નહીં રિપીટ થાય. કોન્ફ્લિક્ટનો મતલબ એવો થાય કે તમારે તમારા પોતાના બેનિફિટની વાત નહીં જોવાની, બરાબર છે? તમારે તમારા પોતાના બેનિફિટની વાત નહીં જોવાની, કંપનીના બેનિફિટમાં વાત કરવાની. માણસ શું કામ પોતાના બેનિફિટની વાત કરે? કે જ્યારે એને સિક્રેટ પ્રોફિટ કરવો છે, બરાબર છે? સો યુ શુડ અપોઇન્ટ ઓડિટ કમિટી. બની શકે કે કોઈ ડાયરેક્ટરે આવો સિક્રેટ પ્રોફિટ કર્યો બી છે. યુ શુડ અપોઇન્ટ ઓડિટ કમિટી. You should appoint relationship committee. And the last point is, શું હતો લાસ્ટ પોઈન્ટ? મને યાદ નથી આવતું. Can anybody tell me? કે 9 points હતો? ના, 10 points હતો. કિનારે આવીને ગાડી અટકી ગઈ. Punishment. No. If anybody is violating the above mentioned provisions and he is not fulfilling all these duties, then 1 to 5 lakh rupees fine could be there. બરાબર છે? 1 to 5 lakh rupees નો ફાઇન હોઈ શકે. ઓકે, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સની જ લાઈનમાં આપણે આગળ ચાલીએ તો ધ નેક્સ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન ઇઝ, અરે યાર અહીંયાથી લઉં. The next important question is, now I'm writing in full page, બરાબર છે? Circumstances when board of director need approval of shareholder or need approval of general meeting. Can you tell me, as far as I think this was a very easy question, can you tell me the circumstances? I repeat, can you tell me the circumstances? Okay, to lease, to give the company on lease, okay, they need to take permission. To write off debt, to write off debt is not the only point, or to allow time for the payment of debt. Okay, no problem. To sell the company, to dispose the company, or to dispose extra or unit, any particular unit of the company. If company is manufacturing 5 products, then you want to dispose any one unit, then you should take prior approval from the general meeting. At any point of time, if company is going to amalgamate, or company is going to merge, then company must have received some remuneration. Okay, or remuneration is the wrong word, compensation. And if company board of director wants to invest this compensation in trust securities, then they need to take permission from the general meeting. Okay, so these are the points, or any particular point is left still? You want to lease it, you want to sell it. Okay, બની શકે કે તમારે એને સેલ નથી કરવું, બરાબર છે? તમારે સેલ નથી કરવું, બટ તમારે ડિસ્પોઝ કરી દેવું છે, બરાબર છે? અને અધરવાઇઝ યસ, દેર વોઝ વન પોઈન્ટ, બોરો ધ મની, અને બોરો ધ મની and board of director wants to borrow. અચ્છા, તો બોર્ડ ઓફ ડિરેક્ટરને ક્યારે બોરો કરવું, કેવી રીતે બોરો કરવું? એમાં શું, લોન તો લઈ શકે ને, બટ ઇન ધ એક્સેસ ઓફ શેર કેપિટલ એન્ડ ફ્રી રિઝર્વ, મતલબ કંપનીની શેર કેપિટલ અને ફ્રી રિઝર્વ કરતાં પણ વધારે એમને જ્યારે રૂપીઝ બોરો કરવા હોય, in that circumstances they definitely need to take permission from the general meeting, matlab shareholders. The next and the last question in the important category is authorities by board of director, authorities from Companies Act. Companies Act through board of directors ને કઈ authority મળી છે. Now see, first of all, if you want to start a company, then you can issue the shares. You have issued the shares, now you can make calls on the shares issued. Now there could be the two kind of situation. You are having lot of money, or your business is going good, તમારો બિઝનેસ બહુ સારો ચાલે છે, મીન્સ તમારી પાસે પૈસા છે, you are having a bunch of money. Then in that particular situation, three things can happen. First of all, if you are having too good money, means business is going good, then you would like to buy back the shares. If you don't want to buy back, then at such point of time you would like to invest the money. And the third point is that you would like to give dividend. Then directors can make the decision for the buyback of their own shares. They can take the decision regarding investment of the fund. They can take decision regarding the dividend and rate. They can decide the rate of dividend. Okay, so these are the authorities of director. બની શકે the business is not going in a good manner, business સારો નથી ચાલતો, then business is working in a bad, તો આ સિચ્યુએશનમાં બિઝનેસ જે કાંઈ પણ છે, you need money. તો બે જગ્યાએથી તમે પૈસા બોરો કરી શકો. You can borrow money, means you can go to the bank, or you can issue the debenture. તમારા યાદ રાખવા અને મારા યાદ રાખવામાં આટલો જ ફરક પડે છે કે તમારું મગજ છે અને મારે નથી, પણ તેમ છતાં હું વાપરું છું અને તમે નથી વાપરતા, બરાબર ને? તમે ટોટલ ફોકસ હાર્ડ ડિસ્ક પર કરો છો અને હું ટોટલ ફોકસ પ્રોસેસર પર કરું છું, બરાબર છે? નીડ મનીથી રિપીટ. હા, તો એમને પૈસાની જરૂર છે ડાયરેક્ટરને, તો ડાયરેક્ટર કેવી રીતે પૈસા લેશે? દે વિલ બોરો ધ મની, અને અધરવાઇઝ દે આર હેવિંગ ધ રાઇટ ટુ ઇશ્યુ ધ ડિબેન્ચર્સ. ઓકે, યુ નીડ ટુ, આફ્ટર દેટ યુ નીડ ટુ જસ્ટ મેક ધ પોઈન્ટ્સ. આફ્ટર દેટ યુ જસ્ટ નીડ ટુ મેક ધ પોઈન્ટ્સ. બીજું કાંઈ કરવાનું નથી. ટોટલ દેર આર 8 પોઈન્ટ્સ. તો આપણો 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 અને 8 8 પોઈન્ટ થઈ ગયા. જ્યાં સુધી તમે તમારી હાર્ડ ડિસ્ક ચલાવશો ને ત્યાં સુધી તમે હેરાન થશો. પ્રોસેસર વાપરવાનું ચાલુ કરી દો. And being a good student, what I am predicting is that being a good student, how your work should be, that see, I have made the note for this. Okay, if I'm sending you the PDF, then you should write this particular points. And if you want to be little bit, sir, I would like to be not a good student, I would like to be a better student, then you should add something by yourself. Okay, like someone says here in nominee director that sir, for the pursuance of agreement એવું ના આવે, then add this. તો તમે એ વસ્તુને એડ કરી દો, બરાબર છે? લાઈક તમને એટ એની પોઈન્ટ ઓફ ટાઈમ તમે કોઈ પોઈન્ટ પ્રોપર નથી ખબર પડતી, તમારી પાસે એક પિન પેજ હશે. ટ્રસ્ટ મી, ધીસ વોઝ માય પ્રિપેરેશન મેથડ. તમારી પાસે એક પિન પેજ હશે કે જેની અંદર આખું ડાયરેક્ટરનું ચેપ્ટર આવી ગયું, બરાબર છે? એક જ પિન પેજની અંદર આખું ડાયરેક્ટરનું ચેપ્ટર તમારું આવી જશે. બટ ધ પ્રોબ્લેમ ઇઝ દેટ યુ વોન્ટ રેડી ટુ ઇટ ફૂડ. બરાબર છે. રેડી ટુ ઇટ મારા સનનું સેરેલેક આવે છે, પાણી નાખો ને રેડી. બરાબર. બાકી આવડા મોટા છોકરાને રેડી ટુ ઇટ ફૂડ ન હોય. તમારું ફૂડ તમારે જાતે બનાવવું જોઈએ. તમારા માટે મેગી આવે છે જે ખાલી 2 મિનિટ નામનું જ હોય છે, એને 10 મિનિટ લાગે છે. બરાબર. અને એ પછી હેલ્ધી તો નથી જોતી. એટલે તમે એક વખત આવું નોટ્સ જાતે બનાવો. એન્ડ માર્ક માય વર્ડ્સ, આઈ એમ રિપીટિંગ that the whole chapter of director will be ultimately concluded in one pin page only. બસ હું આના સિવાય બીજા કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચનને રિવિઝન કરાવવામાં માનતો નથી. બરાબર છે. ધીસ આર જસ્ટ અ સેકન્ડ.